Hey QVC, it's Bree Andrews, Director of Education at GLAMGLOW. I'm coming at you from Hollywood, California, our brand's birthplace, to show you how I mask with SUPERMUD. This is the mask that I reach for when I need a pore cleanse with a team of powerhouse ingredients that target dirt, excess oils, and dead surface cells. So let's get this party started. Once I twist off the lid, I'm going to apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed skin. I use SUPERMUD 1 to 3 times a week, but since my T-zone looks like it needs a little extra TLC, I'm gonna zone treat this area today. Heading to the bathroom, gonna put my hair up, grab my brush, be right back. Okay, so using my GLAMGLOW brush, I'm gonna start here in the center of my face and work my way out. I don't know about you, but applying masks this way elevates the entire experience for me. I know that brushes aren't always necessary, but they're so satisfying, and it feels like you're at the spa. And speaking of spa, this mask smells so good, like a bouquet of fresh eucalyptus. And if you look inside the actual jar, there is eucalyptus suspended in the mud. They're there on purpose. When our founder was working with the chemist to create this mask, she wanted to add in as many skin-loving ingredients as possible. All right, let me just go ahead and finish applying in my T-zone. Oh, I can already feel my skin. It's like pressing the reset button. Okay, so as far as leave on time, we recommend leaving SUPERMUD on for 5 to 20 minutes. My sweet spot is about 10 minutes. So while I'm letting this dry down and finish working its magic, let's talk about all the powerhouse ingredients in SUPERMUD. Starting with our Super 6 acid blend, which includes glycolic, lactic, salicylic, mandelic, tartaric, and pyruvic acids. These AHAs and BHAs help exfoliate my skin. Now, while the 6 acid blend is going to work, activated X charcoal and kaolin clay, which create what we call our pore matrix, are working together to clean up all that debris and excess oils. Now, my favorite part about SUPERMUD is that you can see it working on your skin instantly. Can you say instant gratification? It is so satisfying, especially when I rinse it all down the drain. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go wash my face with warm water. I'll be right back. Okay, wow. My skin feels so clean and refreshed, and the pores on my nose look almost non-existent. You can see this entire area is refined, and I have that glowy look that I love, thanks to SUPERMUD. Well, QVC, thanks for hanging with me while I masked with SUPERMUD today. This is one of my most favorite products ever. I just love how I feel totally refreshed, and my skin feels like I just pressed the reset button. And I know you'll also love this feeling after you mask with SUPERMUD. Until next time, bye.